WeAreFabricio review: is FabricPay legit or a scam? WeAreFabricio review: is FabricPay legit or a scam? If you've come across WeAreFabricio and its payment solution, FabricPay, you might be wondering whether it's a safe platform or a scam. Most people get this wrong by assuming new fintech platforms are risky. The surprising truth is that WeAreFabricio and FabricPay appear legitimate. They offer a modern payment platform designed for online businesses, allowing merchants to accept payments securely while providing customers with smooth checkout experiences. You won't believe what happens next. FabricPay uses encryption, tokenization, and standard compliance with payment regulations to secure transactions. Users report seamless integration with e-commerce platforms and reliable processing. However, as with all payment systems, it's important to ensure you're working with verified vendors and reading the terms of service carefully. To use it safely, verify merchant credentials, avoid sharing sensitive information outside the platform, and monitor your account for any unusual activity. FabricPay is not a bank, so your funds are held with partner financial institutions rather than the platform itself. In conclusion, WeAreFabricio and its FabricPay service are legitimate and offer secure, modern payment solutions for online businesses. By taking basic precautions, both merchants and customers can safely leverage this platform for smooth transactions.